Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion-sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.
Meet AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. AirSelfie 2. Small is the new big.
At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. Pitta is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. Pitta transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, Pitta is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with Pitta is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.